Hi everyone! The bad boys are back and we have yet another challenge, and this time it's dedicated to the upcoming St. Patrick's Day. So the challenge is called, I don't even recall the name, it was something like Green Tomahawk, or I will put it somewhere down below. I really don't remember the word, it was something kind of weird in my opinion. Anyhow, the main rules of the challenge is to be green, I mean it's St. Patrick's Day of course, to be Irish inspired, and basically that's it. And to be a nice drink, I guess. To be Irish inspired. Initially I was thinking, yay, Lord of the Dance, but I'm not too good dancing and I don't want to break any leg while pretending to do so. For Irish inspiration, I was living in Ireland for some time, and my main inspiration, or what I associate Ireland with, are the great people. They are extremely friendly and nice people, so I'm always happy to be back there. And the other thing I remember from Ireland are the spiders. Like, you see a spider and you start thinking, okay, are we under alien attack? Is this a tank or it's a spider? Like, they're huge something. But apart of that, to make it simple, since I don't want to involve animals in the video and I can't bring my friends from there to participate, so long story short, I'm gonna stick to Irish whiskey. Let's make it easy. Today we're gonna make the Green Day. It's a really nice band and a really nice drink. Okay, I assume it's a nice drink, I haven't tried it yet. But let's not waste more time and start with it. We take our shaker. Into the shaker we put 45 ml or ounce and a half of Irish whiskey. I'm going with 16. Yeah, 16. I haven't tried this whiskey before. I got it not long ago and it's the only Irish whiskey I have currently at home. Then the recipe calls for 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml of peach liqueur. Ooh, smells really nice. Peach. And the same amount of 22.5 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of blue curaçao. Let's hope it will end up green. Okay. And last but not least, the same amount of 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml of totally not freshly squeezed orange juice. Okay. Before I shake, apparently I need to rim my glass with sugar. So my orange is as crappy as it can be. So I will try to wet the glass with the peel. I don't think it will work too well, but let's see. But not too well. So my plan didn't work out, so plan B. Okay, that is a little bit better. Now we finally add to the shaker. What the heck? Oi! The shaker is as cold as the Irish Sea in summer. Not too many, I mean, well, or nice memories, but I remember everyone is like slowly entering. It's freaking cold, the water, and there were few nice ladies in their maybe 70s, just enjoying the nice weather and swimming, and there was a group of teenagers like, and they were laughing so much, these lovely ladies. Anyhow, let's see if it gets green. Kind of green. Not the classical Irish green, but it's St. Patrick's Day. It can be as green as you wish. Okay, so that is the lovely green day. Let's give it a try. It's nice. Kind of the main flavors I managed to get is some initial spicy and more strong alcohol note from the whiskey, but it's mostly the peach and the blue curaçao that kind of gives the main flavor profile. Yeah, I think it's a good drink for St. Patrick's Day or any other day you feel like something greeny, even for Halloween if you want, with that type of green could work well. But nevertheless, I think it's nice, especially if you like the peach flavor. It's quite easy to make, and I'm certain it will be easy to drink. So basically that's it for my participation in this challenge. I hope you're gonna like it. I definitely speak too much, so the video will be boring as hell and too long, but I hope you're gonna enjoy it nevertheless. And if you've been watching so far, please consider to like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Cheers everyone.